Hi everyone, this is sort of a big video with a lot of tips and tricks here for organizing, keeping your Chromebook running, especially with all this stuff on 279 online and in math class in general. So I have just this Google window open, but I know somewhere in all of my many tabs and windows that I have open that my team spreadsheet exists. So the first thing that we're going to look at is being able to find an open tab. So I can search my tabs. If I just click on this little down arrow, it lets me search my tabs here, and I can see what I have open. I can even see some recently closed things, and maybe just by pulling this up, I can see what I want, and I can click on it, or I can just search. I'm looking for my team spreadsheet. And then if I click on that, it will take me to my already open tab. Or if I closed it recently, it will reopen it. So that's one awesome way to find your way around the many tabs that you have open if you have some idea what it's called, what the web page is called. Okay. So another thing that's super useful within a page, if you don't know about it, many of you maybe do, some of you might not, is if I'm looking within a web page, within a website, I can click on these three dots. I can go to find and I can search for words. I'm looking for my team name maybe, and it's going to highlight this team name. It's going to help me out. Okay, so that's a search feature. All right, some of you, we learned this and we're all online. We're worried about losing our work. Most of our stuff is in Google Docs, like this spreadsheet. So we want to be able to restart our Chromebooks daily because that helps clear some stuff, helps the Chromebook run better. But some of you are worried, understandably, that you might lose some work. But that's not how Google Docs works. And let me give you an example to show you that it works. You might want this open and just try this out for yourself before you try to restart your whole Chromebook, so prove it to yourself. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to say, hey, I really don't like our team mascot. I'm going to delete it. Okay, so I'm going to delete it and say, well, now if I close this sheet, is that going to stay the same? Is it going to keep that? And notice here that it says I've saved to the cloud, and it says last edit was seconds ago, but I'm going to close this tab. And I've not done anything except hit delete, right? And now I'm going to use that search feature again. And I'm now in my recently closed. I'm going to open up that teacher team spreadsheet again. And I had it closed and it's loading back up. And notice once it loads up here that the team mascot is still not there. It remembered that I made an edit. So don't worry about Google Docs not saving your stuff. You might have some different organization that you need to do to remember where they are, but that search feature is really useful. Your Drive search is really useful as well. Okay, but I actually do like that, so I'm going to notice how it will remember that I can undo that. I would like that back. Okay. And I might go fix that later. There's a different way to do that. This is being a little slow right now. So, takeaway there, please make sure that you are restarting your Chromebook. Your tabs, your Google Docs will save. Other things, other quick tips. You want to be able to have this strategy. If something is not happening correctly, make sure you refresh the page. That is often a problem in ClassKick that we see. Students are saying, hey, I can't see this assignment, and maybe the teacher hasn't shown it until just now. That could be true for a test. And you might just want to refresh the page. So that is another tip. So we saw the Chrome tab search feature, remembering to restart our Chromebook, remembering that Google Docs will save your information. You don't have to worry about that not being saved. All right, everyone. That's some more, and the recording's about to end. So, thanks for watching.